Every night you go to bed without the right food, your muscles quietly shrink. And by the time this video ends, you'll already be down a little, unless you act fast. If you're over 60 and want to keep your strength, hit like and subscribe. Now, let's reveal the 8 best foods to eat before bed to stop muscle loss, ranked from helpful to game-changing. Drop your age in the comments, and let's jump in. 8. Cottage cheese. Packed with slow-digesting casein protein, cottage cheese feeds your muscles for up to 8 hours. It helps prevent overnight breakdown and boosts recovery. Eat it plain or with banana slices about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs provide complete protein and leucine, a key trigger for muscle growth. 1 or 2 before bed can reduce soreness and help maintain strength. Add turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory power. 6. Tuna in olive oil. Tuna delivers lean protein and omega-3s. Olive oil slows digestion, helping your body stay in muscle-building mode longer. Scoop half a can before bed. Skip mayo. Add cucumber or crackers if needed. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in casein and probiotics. It supports muscle repair and improves energy by morning. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties. Add berries or chia seeds to upgrade the benefits. 4. Warm milk with turmeric. Warm milk relaxes you and provides protein. Add turmeric for joint and muscle support. Stir in black pepper to boost absorption. Ideal for deeper sleep and less soreness. 3. Almond butter. Just 1 tablespoon gives you healthy fats, magnesium, and steady energy through the night. It helps stop nighttime muscle loss and reduces cortisol. Spread on toast or eat plain. 2. Tart cherry juice. This juice reduces muscle soreness, improves sleep, and lowers inflammation. Drink 4 to 6 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice 30 minutes before bed. 1. Whey protein shake. Whey protein is your strongest defense against muscle loss. It absorbs fast, boosts overnight recovery, and triggers muscle growth, even without exercise. Mix with water or almond milk before bed. Choose whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey if you're sensitive to dairy. These 8 bedtime foods don't just preserve strength, they help rebuild it. So, which one will you try tonight? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to stay strong after 60.